when you're working on a treadmill and you get no belt movement, you don't want to be checking everything. You want to check a few things and get it over with. And so checking the drive motor is one of the things you need to check right off the bat if you get no belt movement. I'm going to show you exactly how you should do it. Real easy trick on how to check your drive motor to see if it's good. Here we go. So you're going to need a battery. So a drill battery is good. And you take the two leads and you just connect them to the drill battery just like that. And if your motor turns, you are good to go. All right, please like and subscribe.